Someone is here, guys. Is there a sleeper there, Nana? Call.
Hello, good morning.
Tito Bryle, as usual, just woke up.
Treat me there.
Huh? You go check, Nana, if they're open. Huh? They are not open this early daw. Giigno na kami
Traffic mo nga di mo libre.
I know, I said that first.
10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
I checked it.
11. Uy!
10?
Sure, uy.
Ay, 10. Uy.
10 to 11.
10 to 11. So, close og 11. Open og 10.
11 p.m. ba?
Hi, guys.
Go check, Nana. Because you know, this Tito Bryle likes coffee.
But expensive. 130. It's just like same as
Oh, mahal di ay?
130.
Pila lang usually.
Usually is 100.
Ah,
Maybe
okay.
morning. No problem.
Okay. Nagluto siya og kuan, Bryle. Bagara rice with chicken curry. Not biryani, kay para i-try daw ninyo.
Another dish.
Order talaga sila. Open ata. Open? Yun ang pera. Choose, Ryan. Which one you want? Ryan, why are you back here? Why do not wait for Tito Bryle?
Because it's hot.
Ang init daw, guys.
Usually he complains. Now you complaining na. This is
Mainit daw.
Init kaayo.
every day.
Init ka ayo. You know already, Bisaya.
Sobrang init kaayo.
You always okay, right? My luck.
May anak.
It's like I'm very close to the sun. It's like,
Summer already, right? That's why.
yeah.
It's getting
Summer
so hot.
Summer plus global warming equals
Extreme weather.
extreme. I felt like I was gonna have heat stroke.
We're going to Lola Yaya house, guys. After so long.
Yeah.
We miss them. Daddy Ram made bagara rice and chicken curry. And I think Mom also cooked something Filipino food. Ryan will be happy. Spaghetti, no spaghetti. We'll ask next time, okay? Okay. Your baby? Nausa ba na? Uy!
Init tayo.
Hali. Kayawa, uy.
Shalom. 130.
Yaw! Pakita ka sa ako silingan. Tanaw daw siya sa ato ang vlog.
Sorry. Joke lang.
Sige daw, be. Try daw, be. Kung lami ba.
Nindot kilang konti. Isa dito mo ice.
Ah!
Hindi lang ice.
Whoa! What giant block of ice is in
Init na ni.
That's me.
Try first.
Try first. Mixed it.
Giant ice block in the middle. Green ice block now.
We'll see if Ryan will like the matcha.
Probably not.
Probably not daw. Don't see. But you like it last time, right?
That was Zagu.
Huh?
That was Zagu.
Zago daw. Hindi to matcha zago.
Yeah, there is.
No mat. Ay, available na.
No, they're in Daily Croissant. You drink matcha, right? Remember? With Dad?
Yeah, but also in Victoria Mall, I ordered matcha
And you like it?
in Zagu.
Hmm.
I
Ito
don't
pa
know
ito
if I
yung
like
ano.
it.
Isip ko ito na. Space ito.
The giant block of ice is hindering my performance.
So?
Good. Don't like it?
I need a pair of tweezers to
Yan. Bangon. Matcha jud. Ano yung matcha jud?
Sayang, oy. Tarawa sila yan. Oh, you want Milo now? Okay, we'll mix Milo for you. Since the milk is ready. Get that one, oh. Actually, that's supposed to be yours.
Give me my heavenly Milo.
Heavenly Milo now. Oh, Daddy, you try that one. Matcha.
What's wrong with that?
Super strong, like super science.
My Betrigan juice is better.
Freshly picked
Ito.
grass. That what's dog
tastes
came
like-
on it.
Remember we had, where was it? Daily croissant?
Daily.
But it's different, right?
Yeah, not that.
This is super strong.
I think that one sagu. Sagu one better.
Sagu.
Sagu.
Sagu,
They
sagu.
offer already matcha flavor.
This is really
It's super
It
strong.
even has a
strong and
giant
really have that like the grass tastes like super like fresh grass like that.
freshly picked
From
grass.
Japan.
Oh, it's for you, Bryle.
Alibangaan.
You should try my coffee.
Yeah.
Such a nice coffee I made in
Mo, ingon ko no, I don't want because Ram's
Give it to Tita Kate. Give it to
Ah,
Tita
Tita Kate.
Kate.
Tita Kate.
Yeah.
She loves
Because the
Japan.
moment you said he's here, then I added extra milk.
Hmm.
Then you come and said the Brian and him and there. Ryan actually wanted to order from there.
Ryan wants to order
Every
for
day.
so long.
But there's nothing for kids.
For
Because
kids.
everything
There's
only has
with coffee.
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 It's not allowed.
But
No?
I'd rather drink Milo and coffee rather than that. Or both.
Pagkano itong ice na lang for Tita K. This is for
Oh,
Tita K.
magbubot ka na lang ice dito.
The ice will melt.
Ganahan
Yeah.
man si Kay og
You remove the
matcha.
ice. and
Matcha.
you Put ice there.
Kay
KK,
like matcha.
seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah,
see.
she likes
She likes,
matcha.
I don't think this one she likes.
Okay, we'll see.
Wait. I have a good challenge.
Don't worry, KK, you have a different kind of biryani today.
Wait, see.
Yeah,
For you.
yeah.
Actually,
Huh?
see. So we'll keep a blindfold on her head. Then we'll feed her some banana rice and chicken. Then we take this one
And
and
give
we tell
her?
her to drink. We said this is especially for you. Imagine.
Then after that, she will go to toilet.
Sa prank.
It's a prank.
Okay, we'll bring like this because it will be hard to transfer.
Bagara rice and chicken curry. Let's go.
Banana.
Okay guys, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Boy. Yeehaw.
Someone's waiting there and hungry.
Yeah.
Name Viel Kazaya.
Shout out, bro.
Shout out. Kainan time.
More.
My favorite. Bukog.
Kain.
Kain tayo. Chicken. Where's Tita Kay?
In the room.
Hampa na fish. Ay, ikaw na si KK. Hala. Ikaw na tayo siya. Buwan mong kaasayahang kuya, oy. Palaga mong kaasayahang kuya.
Know how to make this, okay?
Try, first time.
Time. Lahi din sa kuan ang katong
Muna, uy.
ulit ulit siya sa
Biryani.
Biryani.
Pero same rice lang, ma.
mm,
Tahi lang pagkaluto.
Yummy?
Yummy. Not salty.
not salty eh.
Dami?
Yummy, kay. Happy na siya.
Yung mo yung ginahan niya.
What you want? This one, banana rice? Hello.
Daghan na daw? Ha?
Okay, give it to me.
Daghan na daw?
Gusto siya o bagara rice.
I love banana.
That's why.
From over and out.
Oh, daghan.
Wala tayo si
Wow, helping hand.
Kaya tuliwa yun. Fitting pagkamaruan dyan.
What?
Yeah.
Helping hand.
Love? Or more?
Daghan ha?
You want chicken?
Chicken.
It's very yummy. With
Yummy.
chicken curry.
Give them onion also. Cut out.
Yeah.
Take
Yan na, pero.
Oh, ano na siya?
Kuan lang na ka ng spices niya. Yummy, Kay? Approve?
Approve.
New favorite?
Yung favorite lang.
Biryani or kani? Same?
Both.
Both daw.
Loves Indian.
Yeah, Tita Kay loves Indian food.
You should make a shirt that says I love Indian food. And India, of course.
I will cook dinner for the fish.
They put already. Bella put already.
Wala na
Daddy's
mo.
at the office. Daddy.
Can I also have one?
Oh,
Ito na kami sa city proper, guys. We're going somewhere.
Somewhere Ryan likes.
Yeah. Trying out new place. Dito kami sa Mad Cravings. Maglalaro ng bilyar. Meron din silang dine dyan, oh. Nice place, right? May pa-movie pa. Anong meron? Outside.
Yeah, we'll be back, okay?
Oh, these
Wait.
are nice.
They have darts also. Dito kami sa Mad Cravings. Chill and play. Nagsimula nang maglaro si Daddy Ram at saka si Ryan. Malapit lang ito sa airport, guys. Family friendly siya. Pwedeng uminom pero yun yung magandang vibes niya. Family friendly. Last ball! See? Tingnan niyo si Ryan at si Daddy Ram. Close fight. Yes! Ryan still have chance. You can do it! You can do it, Ryan! Go! 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 Grabe, ang galing ni Ryan, guys. Don't do it, Daddy. Give chance to your son. Don't do it. Don't do it. Tingnan niyo si Ryan, guys. Oh, talagang lumalaban sa kanyang daddy. Ang galing na niya. Don't finish it, Daddy. Give chance to your son. Ah! Still got chance, Ryan. You won. You won. Come on. Walang daya yun, guys, ha? Talagang fair game. Sorry, Daddy. First game for Ryan. Another game. Ryan versus Dad. Mukhang masarap yung food nila dito. Oh. Filipino food. May pasta din ata sila. Soup. Rice meal. Pasta. Ryan, I ordered pasta for you. Carbonara. Okay? Happy? Nanalo na naman si Ryan, guys. Kasi si Daddy Ram, nalagay niya yung black ball. Oh my God, Daddy. Second already lose for tonight. Congratulations, my boy. It jumped. It's okay. Almost 1 hour, guys.
What?
Yes.
I feel like there's
See, what time is it already? Oh, 9:16. 8:30. Dumating na ang aming pasta. Laki pala. How was the pasta? Good? Gustuhan nila guys. But ayaw tumigil. Nagpapasubo ang dalawa. Kasi gustong maglaro pa rin. Done?
Yes.
Huh? Who won? You? You won?
Yeah.
So 1 and then 2 for Ryan. Okay. Had fun, boys. You happy?
Yes. Now Ryan can play good.
Hmm.
I have interest to play.
Because Ryan is already big boy, grown up, and can compete with dad now. Okay, let's go. Nice place, really. I like it. Very family friendly.
Nice table.
Yeah.
Not many people.
Maybe next time we can come with mom, dad, everyone. Yeah. Tasty carbonara.
Don't forget the super tasty carbonara pasta.
Okay, okay. We are home. Merong ganyan si Ryan, guys. Oh.
Meron ganyan.
See, ang dami mo ng ano, pang color markers. Then, yung aming laundry, muntik makalimutan. Tomorrow is another working day for mommy. Punta natin doon, may dalang ulam, pagbalik. Mayroong dalang ulam din. Lipat natin dito yung sabaw. Kasi paborito ko ito. So, pinadala tayo ni Mother Dear.
Mommy, look.
Nana, I don't want it to scatter everywhere, okay? Please. You can put it there on your room. Ay! Masik! Punong-puno. Daming sabaw. I know. I thought it's not much.
See?
Did not. Okay. Let me put this in the fridge. Had fun, boys.
Yes.
Course.
Played a lot. We'll go back there next time. Okay? You like the place, Nana?
Yeah.
Ryan is playing billiards so well now.
Yeah.
2 times nanalo versus dad. Si dad ano lang, 1 time.
Stop it.
Ulit-ulit na sabihin.
I'm so proud of myself.
So proud of himself, Daddy.
Okay, okay. Okay.
That one also we need to transfer, Daddy. Medyo late na. I need to sleep. I'm sleepy actually, guys. But kailangan sulitin ang weekend. We were able to spend time with the fam bam. And went out for a while doon sa ano, billiard place. At least, kasi most of the time dito lang kami sa bahay pag weekend, di ba? Minsan nakakatamad lumabas. Are you gonna eat again, honey? Don't pretend the video is on, that's why you're saying no. Huh? It's true?
Mommy, if he ever tries eating off camera, stop him.
I will stop him.
Yeah. Well, you will go to sleep.
I will go to sleep. I'm so sleepy now. I'll freshen up, then I'll go to sleep, okay? It's up to you boys what time you'll sleep. Enjoy the holidays. Sana all my holiday. Si Mami Verly, work, work, work. Work, 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 work. Ayan, oh, nagsimula na siya, guys.
I'm arranging it, okay?
Oh, okay.
Don't say like, oh my god, Ryan made everything spill. Oh, lol.
What kind of accent? Okay, say bye to guys. Bye, guys.
Bye guys, like, share, subscribe, like, share, and do a like on. Bye! See you bukas! Peace.